Hello children, welcome back to my class again. Yes, I'm going to continue the subject, okay, the healthy habits and keeping yourself clean. Children, as I discussed with you in my last class, okay, I have to inform you and taught you about the healthy habits, yes, and how to keep yourself clean also, right? Yes, I hope you don't forget to do all these tips which we have taught you, right? Okay, so let us see certain work activities, okay, which is given in your textbook, okay, and UKG children, and take the page number 14. Yes, it's given being healthy. Yes, that's one of the topic for you. Yes, okay, what is given in this picture? Can you see this? First is brush your teeth. Okay, first is brushing your teeth. Yes, so the second one they have shown you, wash hands after using the toilet. Yes, okay, then what else? Having a bath. Okay, having a bath. Yes, fourth one, wear clean clothes, right? Okay, fifth one, have your breakfast. Okay, sixth one, have lunch. Okay, seventh one, play in the evening. Okay, can you see children playing here? Yes, then have a wash. Okay, what wash you have to? You have to wash your hands, right? Yes, see, then have dinner. Have dinner. After dinner, what you have to do? Again, brush your teeth. Okay, yes, then after brushing your teeth you will go to bed, right? Okay, you will sleep 8 to 9 hours. Okay, how many hours you have to sleep? 8 to 9 hours. Okay, see the next page, children, page number 15. Okay, see, wash they have given. This is how you should wash your hands, right? Okay, what you have to do? You need to begin. Yes, first you wet your hands. Okay, first you have to wet the hands. Okay, then use the soap. Okay, soap or some liquids. Okay, then rub palm to palm. How you have to do then? You have to rub your palm to palm. Now see, this is your palm. You have to rub your palm to palm. Okay, fine. Then scrub under the fingernails and wrist. Okay, see, fingernails you will have. Okay, under this that there will be certain germs. Okay, here. Okay, bacteria, germs, everything. So what you have to do? You need to clean all your fingernails. Yes. Okay, and under the wrist. Okay, where is your wrist? See, this is the wrist. Okay, under the wrist till here you need to wash your hands. Okay, then scrub under the fingernails and wrist. Then you have to rinse your hands again. Okay, what you have to do? Again you have to rinse your hand. Why you have to rinse? Because you have used the soap, right? Okay, so what you have to do? You need to rinse your hands. Then important one, turn off the tap and let it dry. Okay, turn off the tap and let your hands dry. Okay, so that is the exercise. Will you just do this in the same ways, children? Can you wash in the same steps? Okay, what they have mentioned here. Okay, then they asked you a few questions. Okay, do you wash your hands with soap and water? Okay, before eating, yes or no? Okay, say yes. After eating, yes or no? Yes. Okay, after visiting the toilet, yes or no? Yes. Okay, so what you have to do? Before eating, after eating, and after visiting the toilets, okay, you need to wash your hands. Now take the page number 16, clean and healthy. Circle the things that are used to stay clean. Okay, which are the things you have to see here? One is soap, brush, toothpaste. Okay, everything is used to keep ourselves clean, right? Yes, you need to circle those things, children. And the comb is given, talc is given. Okay, powder, yes. And there is a cloth napkin, right? Okay. Then there is shoes, socks, dustbin. Okay, some of the unwanted things we have to put into the dustbin, right? Yes. And there is a bath towel. Okay, and you have to trim your fingernails. Okay, that's also important. Okay, I forgot to tell you that. Okay, don't leave the fingernails. Okay, long fingernails is not accepted for children. You need to allow your parents to cut the fingernails. Okay, children, you need to trim the fingernails. Okay, then taking the shower. Okay, here. Okay, that's also one of the clean and healthy, yes, habits. On my own, what you have to do? Tick the things that you do on your own. You don't depend on your parents. On your own, what all the things you do at home? Have a bath. Do you take a bath yourself, or will your mother or father help you to do that? Okay, if you're taking the bath, okay, on your own, tick it. Okay, otherwise don't take. Okay, comb my hair. Do you comb your hair yourself? Okay, you can comb, right? Okay, so tick that. Tie my shoelaces. Can you tie the shoelaces by yourself? Okay, if you can't, then you can take the help of your parents. Okay. Okay, if you are doing yourself on your own, that is very good. Okay, yes. Then pack my bag. Okay, while coming to school, children, all your books should be arranged and it should be kept inside the bag, right? Who will help you to do that? You yourself do? Okay, very good. If you are doing yourself, just stick there. Okay, if your parents do that, then you pack my bag. Okay, don't tick that. Okay, eat my food. Do you eat your food? Okay, good. Okay, children will your parents will not feed you, right? You yourself drink milk. You yourself will have dosa, right? Okay, then if you are eating your food, okay, you are a wonderful kid. Okay, children, yes, put a tick there. Yes. Button my shirt. Can you button your shirts, boys? Yes, girls also. When you wear your uniforms, can you button your dresses? Okay, if you can do that, okay, just put a tick mark. Okay, so children, you should not depend on your parents. Okay, you should learn all the small things, okay, which you can do on your own. Okay, yes. Do you do these? Okay, they have asked. Tick the ones you do. Wake up early in the morning. Will you wake up early in the morning? Yes, put a tick mark. Eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast? Put tick mark. Keep fingernails short and clean. Do you allow your parents to cut the fingernails? Yes, tick that. Play every day. Do you play every day? Okay, fine. Put a tick mark. Take a bath every day. Do you take a bath? Okay, put this tick mark. Okay, okay, fine. Brush my teeth twice a day. Yes. Wear clean clothes. Yes. Go to bed early. Yes. Okay, so that's about keeping yourself healthy, clean. Okay, and now let us see, to stay healthy, what you have to do. Exercise is page number 20 for UKG children. Okay, what you have to eat, what you have to avoid, what you have to drink, everything is given in the picture. Okay, let's see that. Okay, see this picture. Okay, tick mark is given. Okay, and what is that? That is for fruits and vegetables. You can see there pineapple, apple, banana, carrot, beetroot, yes, and some watermelon, everything they have given. So these are the healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? Yes, put the tick, eat. Okay, they have given right mark, that is all right habits. Okay, wrong they have given cross mark. Okay, that you have to avoid. Okay, what that you have to avoid. Okay, what you have to avoid? Cakes. See, cupcakes, chips, Okay, pizza, ice cream, burger, okay, all are the junk food, okay. They are not the nutritious food, okay, children. They are the junk food and the packaged food, okay. So you need to avoid all those things, okay. Yes. Then fresh fruits and vegetables you need to eat every day. Yes. Then put the tick mark here. Drink, okay. What you have to drink? Milk, water, then buttermilk. Yes. And some other good drinks you can have. Yes. What you have to avoid, like Coke, Cola, then this Sprite, Pepsi, okay, those things you need to avoid. You should not drink that. Yes, okay. So avoid, you need to avoid those food. Okay, now take the page number 21. They have given you to stay healthy what all the things you have to follow. Okay, see the picture. Children are playing in the ground, okay. So play they have given, okay. Is that right? Yes, you need to play, okay. What you have to reduce? Watching the games, okay. Video games, okay. Watching the cartoons, okay. Not regularly. Yes, okay. You need to reduce those habits, children. Yes. Then learn. See, a girl is learning to paint here, right? Yes, that's a good habit. And they are reading sometimes here, and they are swimming also. So these are the good ones. Okay. Then what you have to avoid? See, they are talking, chit chatting, and they are fighting with each other. Okay, that you need to avoid. Okay, fine. So these are the things, and okay, take the page number 22. Pick the things you like to do. What do you like to do? Paint. Do you like to do painting? Yes. Sleeping, if you like. Yes. Read. Okay. Tear paper. Do you like to tear the paper? No, right? Okay. Do you like to laugh? Yes. Do you like to play computer games? Okay, not every day. If you like to do that, okay, put the right mark, okay. Not every day. Then to sing, okay, fine. To listen to the music you like, yes, okay. To play with your friends, okay, fine. To put the right mark, yes. Then, do you like to do what the children are doing? Tick yes, click yes or no, okay. Say they are listening, I think here, yes. Then what else he is doing? He is brushing his teeth, okay, yes. They are fighting here, they are quarreling here, no, okay. And this girl is wasting some food, okay, no. And the boy is putting the banana peels, okay, inside the dustbin. Is it good? Yes. We need to put it in the dustbin, yes. And see, the girl is spilling the shavings of the pencils, okay. What is that good? No, okay. You need to put it into the dustbin, not here and there, okay. See, they are looking for a traffic signal. Yes, that is good. Okay, children, when you cross the road, you need to see the traffic. You need to follow the traffic rules. Yes, you need to see whether the light is green or red. Yes, if the light is green, you can pass. If the light is red, you need to wait until the vehicle passes. Okay, yes or no. Okay. So children, you please complete all of those exercises which is given in the page number 23. Okay. Then take the page number. Okay, I think that's it about staying healthy and keeping yourself clean. Okay, for UKG children. Now let us see for LKG children what all the habits. Okay, once again, take the page number 14 in your book General Awareness. Okay, take the page number 14, keeping clean. See, they're given you all certain things, children, here. See this. Yes, Circle the things that you need to keep clean. Hand wash. See, now we are regularly using this hand wash, right? Okay, so we need that. Then brush and toothbrush and toothpaste, okay, that we need. Yes, circle it. Comb is given here. See here. Okay. Then crayons they have given. Is that required to keep clean? No, right? Okay. Talc. Okay, that powder. Yes, that is required. And they have given you mobile phone here. Is it required? No. Okay, don't circle it. Soap is required. Bath towel is required. Okay, there is a bucket here, children. Yes, if you require those things, you just circle it. There is the nail cutter. Okay, and they have given you the desktop and the keyboard, everything. Is that required to keep yourself clean? No, not required. Okay, so children, whichever things you require it, just circle it. Okay, yes, take the page number 15, children. Keeping clean, do you do these? Circle the pictures. Okay, yes, the girl is washing her hands in the wash basin. Okay, after the toilet. Is that good habit? Okay, circle the picture then. Yes, the girl is brushing her teeth early in the morning. Yes, it's a very good habit. Yes, what she is doing, she is taking the shower. Okay, she is taking bath. Yes, very good. And see her, she's brushing her teeth at night. See, you can see the moon, everything. It's night now, so she is brushing her teeth. That is the good habit. Yes. After food, before food, see, food is kept on the table. This boy is washing his hands before the food. Yes, good. And the boy is cleaning his hands. See him? Very good. Okay. So, children, you also need to follow all these good habits. Okay, healthy habits. Children, let us see now certain likes and dislikes of yours. Okay. Take the page number 16. Take the page number 16, children. Draw a smiley below the food you like to eat or drink. Okay, you know how to draw a smiley. See, circle, then two eyes, okay, and one smile. Okay, that's it. Okay, draw a smiley below the food you like to eat or drink. Okay, now what is given there? Cookies, right? Some biscuits. Okay, if you like, make like this. See, smile. If you don't like, okay, this is sad. Okay, this is sad. This is smile. Okay, you can do that. Watermelon is there. Fish is there. And bread and that sandwich is there. Okay, ice cream is there. Okay, apple, banana. See, all the foods, whatever you eat normally, see, they have given, and you have to, that's a homework for you to children. Can you do that at home? Page number 16. Okay, next, what did they give here? Yes, see, I need food too. Why we have to eat food? They have given you to talk, to write, or to stand. I need food to why you have to eat food? Otherwise, you don't get any energy, right? Yes, you will feel sick. You will feel ill, right? Yes. Then you can't stand, children. Yes, you will fall down, right? If you don't eat the food. Yes, to stand. Yes, you need food to stand. Then to sing, play, dance. To see, if you want to play also, you need more stamina, right? Energy is required. So what you have to do, you eat good food. Okay. Then to run, to swim, to walk, everything you require food, right? Okay. So they have mentioned you, I need food to talk. See, without healthy, you can't talk to people also, you will always feel sleepy and you lie down there. Okay, so to food, you require food to eat, write, and to stand, and to sing. Okay, then to play. Okay, then to dance. Okay, then to run. Yes. Okay, then to swim. How to swim? Yes, then to walk also. Yes, you require food. Yes, you have to eat food. Okay, children? Yes. See that next page number 18. Your favorite food. Okay. Draw lines from your favorite food to the lunch box. See, there is a lunch box here. Okay. Draw lines from your favorite food to the lunch. What you like to eat, you just draw a line to the lunch box. Okay. If you don't like it, certain food, okay, don't do that. Whichever you like in this list, okay, do. Okay, children? Yes. Fun time. Circle the food items that you can be peeled by hand or a peeler. Okay. About this, I am going to teach you in my next class, because you are going to study about the fruits, vegetables, and plants and other things also in the next class. Okay. So these things you can learn later, I think. Okay. So you complete your exercises from 14 to 18. Okay. Yes. Children, I am going to meet you in my next class. Okay. I want you to follow all these healthy habits. Okay. And how to keep yourself clean. Okay. You need to learn those things. Yes. Okay, children, I will meet you in my next class. Okay, until then, bye.